perspective on some of these issues. Looking back to '86, when the Immigration Reform and Control Act was passed, 1.1 million illegal immigrants were legalized under the so-called Special Agricultural Worker Program. According to some studies, up to 2/3 of the applicants for status under the Special Agricultural Work Program were fraudulent. This includes Mahmoud Abu Halim's application. He received a legal status despite the fact that he was a New York City taxi driver. Again, he received the status under the so-called Special Agricultural Work Program. This man also helped orchestrate the 1993 World Trade Center attacks. The only thing this terrorist ever planted was a bomb. Mr. Arthur, if this committee considers legislation to provide legal status for certain groups of illegal immigrants, what should be done to ensure we don't see the same levels of fraud that we saw in '86?
One of the proposals, sir, that was included in one of the, which I think is included in the DREAM Act from the last Congress, I don't know if it is from this one, is a confidentiality provision. And I was an INS trial attorney in San Francisco and Baltimore, and in the A files, the alien files, all that information is contained under a red folder. You can't go under that red folder. None of that information is available. And quite frankly, the respondent in court may make a statement that's completely different from that. Confidentiality provisions do nothing except for protect ineligible and removable aliens. They should not be included, and they are a statute of frauds.
Mr. Arthur, in your opinion, what could happen if we provide legal status to certain illegal immigrants, yet we don't address illegal immigration enforcement issues?
We're going to be back here in a couple of years, maybe even with the same group of individuals. Every amnesty brings with it the same two issues. One, it encourages additional illegal immigration. Two, there is a huge amount of additional legal immigration that comes from chain migration, as I mentioned before. The president's proposals in January of 2018 actually would have mitigated these things. It's not a trade-off. It's not a quid pro quo. It actually mitigates the problems, beefs up border security, and addresses the issue of chain migration.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I yield back the remainder of my time.